Hello students, I am Preeti Singh and I am going to teach you today Social Studies Lesson 1, and the name of the Lesson 1 is The Early Humans. So let's start the studies, that is the early human. In this lesson we will study about the evolution of human on earth. Evolution means process or progress of change. As you can see in these pictures show the evolution of how human beings, how they have developed from this situation to this situation. The earliest human beings were known as hominids. They belong to the family of primates. Now what is primate? Primates looked like ape animals. They appeared on the earth about 4.5 million years ago. Homo habilis were the first human who lived in Africa. Where were Homo habilis living? They were living in Africa. They walked like animals using their limbs. Limbs means arms and legs. Here we will discuss about all the early humans one by one. So first we will discuss about hominids. The earliest human beings were known as hominids. They belong to the family of primates. Primates were ape-like animals. They appeared on the earth about 4.5 million years ago. Now we will discuss about Homo habilis. Homo habilis were the first humans who lived in Africa. They walked like animals using their limbs. They had a small forehead. It sloped in the backward direction while the body was bent in the forward direction. Their limbs resembled means looked like that of the gorillas. Now we will discuss about Homo erectus. Homo erectus were found nearly 3 million years ago. The humans learned to walk erect. Erect means straight. Now the humans learned the habit how they can stand straight. These humans were called Homo erectus. The erect posture of these humans enabled them to see farther and make better use of their hands. But early humans resembled wild animals. They were afraid of the wild animals. They were physically inferior. Inferior means lower in rank to the wild animals as they did not have hoofs. Hoofs means the horny covering of the foot of horse. And they also did not have fangs. Fangs means a large tooth, etc. These are the reasons that make them inferior to animals. Now we will discuss about Java men. The Java men belong to Indonesia. They were 165 centimeter tall with a small brain. They could bend in forward direction and looked like apes. Now we will discuss about Peking man. The Peking man lived in the caves of China and could stand more upright than the Java men. They knew the use of fire and art of making stones, implements. Implements means tools. They know how to make tools from stone. Now we will discuss about Heidelberg men. Heidelberg men lived in Germany. Their average height was around 165 centimeters. They were probably the first to develop a power of speech in the world. Means Heidelberg men were the first to talk. The Homo erectus humans developed into modern humans around 40,000 years ago. Now, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens were more refined in all aspects of life. The Neanderthals, found over 50,000 years ago in Neanderthal, Germany. Cro-Magnon men. Now we will discuss Cro-Magnon men. They lived in France and Spain some 20,000 years ago. They were 6 feet tall with prominent features. They know how to sew clothes from animal skin using bone needles. They made paintings on the wall of the caves. They made the paintings in artificial light generated by burning fat in hollow stone dishes. Cro-Magnon man is again divided into 3 categories. First one is the Negroes, next one the Mongolians, and third one the Aryans. Now we will discuss evidences about the early humans. Means what are the human evidences? With the help of them we can know about these humans. Human fossils. They refer to the remains of the early humans. They include human skeleton, human teeth, skull, etc. Human bones. Next one is human. Beside fossil, the bones of the early humans also tell a lot about them. Next one is utensils and tools. Most of the utensils and tools of the early humans were made of stone. Cave paintings. The cave paintings of the early humans show the use of highly sophisticated colors. Means in that period also they were developed so much that they can do such paintings which still present there. Shelters. Caves were used as shelters by the early human, especially when it became very cold. Thank you.